What it is, people. We are on an adventure. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're falling. We're on an petite navette, a minibus.
And we're going up to the church.
To the church, yeah. It's a special church. Remember what it was called? St. Joseph's Oratory. Oh my goodness. This guy's flying, man. So basically what it is that because you guys see the drone shots, the whole place is in construction, and so they have a little bus bringing us to the church, so we don't walk up the 99 steps. There's 99 steps over here for what? Remember what I told you? They were for what? What did they do on each step? They used to parade. They parade on each step. So that's it. So now they take a little bus ride. It's bouncy like crazy. I don't even know how this video is gonna look like.
Instead of 99 stairs, we take the bus.
Yeah, that's it. We took one bus.
Yeah, because they had
construction. All right. So
look how long it takes to come up the church.
That's it by bus. Oh my goodness. Okay.
It
We're
took
here.
like
We're here.
1
We're here.
minute.
We're here. We'll see you later.
It took like 1 minute.
chicken dust in my eye.
Oh, me too.
What it is, people.
people.
So this was the adventure. We went to just go see the Oratory and go see the nice things that they have inside. Hopefully, all of our footage is gonna work there. I'm using this 360 camera, and hopefully, I'm gonna try. Even if it's not nice, I'm just gonna put it out there. I really don't know how to use that camera or when. I think it's almost like we can just use that camera when it's like sunny and bright outside. That's what I'm starting to understand. But anyway, we'll see how that goes.
Because it's too dark. So
And what did you think about this St. Joseph's Oratory?
good.
Yeah, it's nice,
Oh yeah, and we did you film in the house that we went in?
Yeah, I filmed also. Oh yeah, it's a good point. In the Brother André's chapel, c'est la chapelle de
Also.
Saint-André.
Yeah.
That then we went to the second floor. Eddy found the second floor. He explored and then he found the access to the second floor. And what was on the second floor?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? There was something there.
What?
What was on the second floor when we went up the stairs?
Oh, it was their house.
Yeah, that's where Brother André stayed. You saw his bed, you saw his sink, his book, his Bible. Xbox or PlayStation?
None.
None. They didn't have Xbox or PlayStation. What about iPad or Samsung?
None.
Not even. Nothing. I don't even think they had electricity back then. That's how old that was. So that was nice to see.
Not even that much people in Earth.
No, there was a lot less people on Earth that back then for sure.
How
Yes,
long?
you're right. How much? I don't know. I don't know what year it was,
Like
but we could
106.
probably do some research and find the answer to that. Also tried to take some drone shots, but here it's super construction work, so they're not gonna be as nice as I wanted to. And I wanted to really climb up the 99 steps. You remember what I told you about the 99 steps?
Yeah,
Well,
yeah. They're
we
gonna
will-
pray you.
They what?
They're gonna pray.
Yeah, that's it. So people pray on. They do a prayer on each step, going all the way up 99 steps. That must take a long time. It must hurt the knees. You know, they go on their knees and they say prayers. But that's what people do. You know. And that's what it is. So that's we squeezed in another little adventure over here.
And
Now,
and when we're going on that bus, like that,
yeah, the bus.
yeah, we tried to film, but it was so bumpy.
Yeah, that's it. But we're gonna do that again. We're gonna try to do it again.
Yeah, we're
But it
gonna
was
try.
bumpy.
We're gonna go after
He
this.
was going like off-roading. He was like, you know what off-roading is, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was like
He's
off-roading.
going
It
like
was
a
bumpy, yeah, like
glide.
crazy styles. I thought he was gonna take his time. It's gonna be a nice little tour, but no, he went full pin. So that's what it is. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up here. First, we have to.
Click subscribe, take the little bell.
So from Eddy, Greg, to and
And Greg, hon.
peace.
Please.
To the
Please one.
next one.